So, what's up mga par? And for today's video. And kumusta po kayong lahat? May ipakita po sa inyo na video mga par. Mismo galing po ito sa COA na tama pala yung paggamit ni BP Sara sa kanyang confidential funds. Kasi may report po na ipasa yung OBP sa COA mga par. Mismo pinalabas ng COA pero hindi to binabalita ng mainstream media. Kasi mga par, yung mainstream media ay may halong bias mga par. So, ito po yung hindi alam ng iba. So, pakinggan po natin mga par and panoorin po natin yung video na mismo galing po sa COA mga par.
Ang Commission on Audit patungkol sa opisina ng Vice President. Unqualified opinion lang naman ang naging report ng COA. Ibig sabihin, clean, malinis. So nasaan ang sinasabi ng mga nag-file ng impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara na magnanakaw daw at hindi nagagamit ng tama at maayos ang pondo ng Vice Presidente. Galing na ito mismo ng Commission on Audit. Talagang lalong mababasura lamang ang kanilang ginawang impeachment complaint. Ating basahin ang nilalaman ng report ng Commission on Audit. Independent Auditor's Report. The Honorable Vice President, Republic of the Philippines, opinion. We have audited the accompanying financial statements of the Office of the Vice President, or OVP, which comprise a statement of financial position as of December 31, 2023, and a statement of financial performance, statement of cash flows, statement of changes in net assets or equity, statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts for the year then ended, and notes to the financial statements, including a summary of significant accounting policies. In our opinion, the accompanying financial statements present fairly, in all material respects, the financial position of OVP as of December 31, 2023, and its financial performance, statement of cash flows, statement of changes in net assets or equity, statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts for the year then ended, and notes to financial statements, including a summary of significant accounting policies in accordance with the International Public Sector Accounting Standards, or IPSAS. Basis for unmodified opinion. We conducted our audit in accordance with international standards of supreme audit institutions. Our responsibilities under those standards are described in the auditor's responsibilities for the audit of the financial statements section of our report. We are independent of the agency in accordance with the revised Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Commissioner Audit Officials and Employees, together with the ethical requirements that are relevant to our audit of the financial statements, and we have fulfilled our other ethical responsibilities in accordance with these requirements. We believe that the audit evidence we have obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide a basis for our unmodified opinion. Dagdag pa nito, Badoy. The OVP's COA report came out December 1 with the best opinion, unqualified, clean report. An unqualified opinion is considered a clean report. An unqualified opinion doesn't have any adverse comments, and it doesn't include any disclaimers about any clauses or the audit process. This report indicates that the auditors are satisfied with the company's financial reporting. The auditor believes the company's operations comply with governance principles and applicable laws. The company, the auditors, the investors, and the public perceive such a report to be free from material misstatements. This came out December 1, but you haven't seen this in Inquirer, ABS-CBN, Daily Tribune, TV5, etc. right? Mainstream media is not here to give information to the people or give an accurate description of events. Mainstream media exists to meet the agenda of its owners or financiers. Indeed, the age of citizen journalism is upon us. We have the power to be bearers of truth. Be one. Congratulations, OVP and VP Inday Sara, for your competent, excellent, and faithful service to the Filipino people. Ngayong inilabas na ng Commission on Audit ang kanilang independent auditor's report ng Office of the Vice President. Unqualified, unmodified opinion. Ibig sabihin, malinis, walang bahid ng korupsyon, hindi magnanakaw ang Office of the Vice President. Ngayong malinis sila sa COA, siguradong magkahanap na naman sila ng putas para siraan ng Office of the Vice President.
So yun mga par, ay mismo nakita natin yung report na mismo galing sa COA mga par. So yung mga congressmen natin ay ayaw lang makinig sa COA mga par kasi naghanap sila ng botas para sisiraan talaga yung VP Presidente mga par. So maraming salamat mga par sa panonood niyo sa ating video. And sa hindi pa na nakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel mga par, paki-subscribe naman para upang updated po kayo sa mga bagong video reaction natin.